A man who has been on the run for more than 3 years following a series of forgeries to defraud unsuspecting investors and capital market intermediaries has been put in police custody pending trial. Yusuf Agrippa Ibrahim, alias Abraham Kiprotich Langat, has been charged at the Milimani Law Courts in Nairobi with 10 counts of forgery and use of the forged documents to execute transactions. He is accused of selling shares belonging to members of the public using the fake documents. The Capital Markets Authority has been on the trail of Yusuf since October 2013, when he was charged and released on a cash bail of 300,000 shillings, after which he went into hiding. He has been declared a flight risk and is currently in police custody.